Alright, we're live.
Alright guys, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. Finally don't have 30-mile-an-hour winds gusting at our little scooters. So we're going to be able to go out there, maybe use a little bit of top water. But today, we're coming through the challenge. Live bait versus artificial bait challenge. Me and Rick have been wanting to do this for a little bit, so we're going to see how it goes. I think artificial is going to outfish bait, hands down. Just because every time I go out there with artificial, I end up catching better than people that use live bait. But we're going to test that today, so stay tuned for this episode. Let's get on it, boys. We rolling, boys. Alright guys, so we're out here, just got out of the boat ramp, just put our boat in the water, tons of boat traffic, but that's not going to stop us today. Live bait versus artificial challenge. Got our live bait, got our gulp. Let's see how we can, I don't know, gonna see what's going to hit. That's what we're going to do. So let's get this B-roll going. 3, 2, 1.
What was the name of that song you used?
She attack. She attack to me. Attack to she. You must be late. She attack. She attack to me. Attack to she. She attack to me, and he attack to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She attack to me, and he attack to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally.
She attack to me, and he attack to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She attack to me, and he attack to she.
Oh, something lit me up. Something lit me up. Ah! Alright, I'm going to the bait bucket.
Whoa! Whoa!
Gator!
Oh no.
We're talking gator?
I don't know, man, but it's a fish. I have a fish.
Oh!
I swear, dude, I knew this was gonna happen.
Dude, go to artificial. On that note, switch back to artificial.
Are you gonna stay on bait?
I'll stay on bait for a little bit. Dude, nothing wants to eat my shrimp.
So far?
Oh, there goes my shrimp. I gotta pop it pretty often to keep the freaking catfish off of it.
Yeah. Got him?
Oh, I wasn't paying attention, dude. That thing had some weight when I pulled it. Still got my shrimp. These guys can't take it from me, man. Trying to steal from me? Let's see if it's a skip. Might be a trout, dude. Gator! Gator! I'm thinking possible net, man.
Net?
I'm thinking possible net.
It's a cat. It's a cat.
No, it flopped out toward the top, dude.
It's a gator! It's a gator!
It's a gator on the live bait! Ah! Live bait won! Live bait won! Oh!
Oh my word!
Live bait won, dude. That's a decent trout. Did you tie it up?
Hey!
Did he tie it up? Live bait won, artificial 0. Ah! I think you just tied it up, dude.
You think so?
Yeah, for sure you just tied it up.
Want to throw the drift sock out?
We're throwing the drift sock out.
1-1.
We got ourselves a ball game. Should I throw that?
What? Yeah, why not? Bucks for live bait. Oh, gator.
Feels, no. Stand down.
It's a cat.
No, it's not. It's a little baby. It's a little baby.
Is it?
Yeah. Man, he's spunky. Oh, sorry, bud. Are we talking gator? Because I'm already here.
Like a small one.
Okay, I'm standing down. Watch behind you. Dude, I'm gonna catch a gator on this. Dude, I got a big old shrimp on, man. Big old lively shrimp. Oh!
You got him?
Oh, I thought he was a big one. He crushed it.
Well,
I mean, he crushed it. I wouldn't say it's working better than artificial, though.
That's a nice one. Mine's like the same size. Maybe a little bigger. Oh!
I gotta keep it even, dude.
Technically, we should have 4 keepers.
I gotta keep it even. I will say this, though, they are crushing this live bait. Oh!
Let's go.
What do you want? Where's the net? Where's the net? Where's the net?
Get the net! Oh, it's a gator.
Oh, you're gonna take the lead!
Come on.
Oh, it's a gator! Unless you're from Sabine.
Oh!
Dang, that's a big one.
Got shoulders. That's a nice big trout, bro.
All right, guys, we're here with the Toyota halftime report. Caleb, what is your update?
All right, guys. Right here, you got artificial. Scores 2-1. Gulp. Out fishing shrimp right now. It's only halftime though. Let's see how we do. Gator on.
Let's make the comeback, shrimp. Let's make the comeback.
You got like Kelly wigs. Oh,
Feels, yeah, it feels good.
Rick, hook it up.
Feels freaking good.
Come on, bring him in. Tie it up. Dude, that looks sick. That shot is sick.
Oh my gosh, he feels really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Like gator?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think 18.
18?
Oh!
Please don't be a cat. Please don't be a cat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bring him over. Bring him over. Bring him over.
Oh, he's pulling. He's pulling hard. He's pulling real hard.
Come on, Rick.
He's pulling hard. I'm trying to bring him up. I'm trying, bro. Oh my gosh, he just.
He's got trouble.
Yeah! Tie it up, baby! Tie it up!
Let's go. Live shrimp.
It's a rough day out here.
Oh.
I don't know yet. I'm gonna call net. I'm gonna go ahead and call net. It doesn't feel great, but he pulled some drag at first.
Calling it. Oh yeah.
Not the giant, but
makes it, man.
but a respectable trout nonetheless. Oh!
Oh man.
That one hit hard. He crushed it. He doesn't feel that big though. I'm not sure. Always doing that boat thing. Oh, he crushed it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's bending me over.
Oh! Oh!
Ah! He crushed it.
Oh my god!
He's purple. Look how purple he is.
Dude, they're thick.
Gator! 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 Oh, shoot! Rolling tape. Rolling tape. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Alright, we're hooked up. Hooked up. Artificial. Artificial.
Come back!
Oh, dude, it's big.
It's a gator. It's a gator. Unless you're from Sabine. It's a gator. Ah, my line! My line! Oh, it's a gas top! It's a gas top! Uh-oh. We're talking net. Talking net. We're talking net. We're talking net. It's a close match, man. Oh, shoot. Am I gonna tangle you? Come back! Come back! Come back! Let's go! Come back! Update, baby, update! All right, Caleb, we're coming into the fourth quarter, the final stretch. What update do you have for us?
All right, guys, I just tied it up 4-4 on artificial 16-inch trout. And this is where legends are made, boys. This is crunch time.
Fourth quarter, baby.
Let's go!
Oh, it looks good now that the sun's out. Sun's out, beating down on this water. That's the fish's sign to say, hey, it's time to eat. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! That's a gator. Oh, it's not a gator.
It's not a gator.
Oh my gosh, it's coming down to the final cast. I gotta get out there, bro. I can't help you. It's coming down to the final cast.
That was the next cast. Next cast.
That's back to back for artificial.
Back to back.
Back to back for artificial.
Back to back.
Dude, we gotta call it, man. It's over. It's over.
No!
It's freaking over, dude. Like,
Alright.
how hard have we gone, man? We're freaking done. We're not gonna catch another fish. Oh! Come on! Come on! Hit! 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 Hit!
She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet
personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is
Alright guys, we just completed the artificial versus live bait challenge, and today artificial came out on top. Caleb, why don't you talk about the pros and cons of artificial?
Alright, good things about artificial were that I didn't have to go back to the bait bucket every freaking time. I did catch more catfish though. That was something that was not as expected, but I ended up catching more fish in artificial as I thought in the beginning of the day. So I think overall it was a pretty good day. Rick had, had to rebait every freaking time. He had a lot of piggy perch. So you tell us the pros and cons.
Okay, definitely con, rebaiting every time.
Yeah.
I didn't catch that many catfish as I thought. I didn't catch as many skipjacks as I thought. And a pro is that when they hit the shrimp, they freaking crush it.
Yeah.
So that was fun. But what I learned today is it was about even. Caleb left with more keepers, but it's just easier to use artificial. So if you're gonna catch about the same amount of fish, save some money,
Yeah,
save the cleanup, and just get yourself some artificial. Now, a couple questions, Caleb, for the viewers in the comment section. What, in your definition, is a gator?
Alright, a gator for us
And why do you scream gator?
Alright, a gator for us is any trout 20 or up. We know a trout is a true gator when it's 25 plus, but we're screaming gator so someone grabs the net.
Yes.
Not because it's 25 plus, but just because it's a nice solid trout and someone needs to grab the net, as in gator grab the net. That's what a gator is to us. We know it's 25 plus. So we just overuse the word just because it's fun.
Any products you want to mention that you use today?
Products?
Tackle,
No.
FP3, Berkeley Gulp. That's about it, right? Stay tuned for another episode.
She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally.